In this video, I will show you how to create a rain effect in Affinity Photo. First, select your image. Then if your set background is white and set foreground is black, then press Ctrl and Backspace from the keyboard. It will make a black background. Or simply you can take Flood Fill tool and fill it with black color. Then go to the filter. Noise. Add noise. Here, make intensity 100%. Gaussian. And check monochromatic. Then hit apply. Now do this steps 3 to 4 times. Now change the blend mode to screen. Again go to the filters. Blur. Motion blur. Make radius 25 to 30 work well. Here rotation depends on image positions. So feel and check according to your image positions. Here I am keeping it 135-degree rotation according to this image's positions. Hit apply. Now I need a little bit of effects details. So right-click and merge visible to make it in one layer. Here I am using tone mapping persona. Default sections. Choose Detail to Effects. You can also play with contrast if needed. Then hit apply. If you found this video helpful, watch the next video on your screen, you will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.